everyone, happy Halloween. For my Halloween series 2023, I'll be doing bonus number 1. Today, I'll be making vampire teeth cookies. What all goes into the vampire teeth cookies? I'm doing this as simple as possible because I'm expecting that kids are going to be wanting to do this and wanting to help. 1 package of refrigerated cookie dough sugar cookies. I was going to make my own icing, but again, I wanted to do it simple. So I'll be using just white frosting. They didn't have any fake edible blood at the store. I know I've bought it there before, but I did have some sparkle gel in red. So we're going to have sparkly blood, I guess. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. So what I have are some vampire teeth cookie molds from Wilton. Wilton has a lot of good baking stuff. We'll need to spray that with nonstick cooking spray. They say it's not necessary, but I don't want anything to stick. So what I like to do, as you've seen, that was a lot. I just wiped it and got all of the crevices. I like to do that because sometimes when you spray, it's still going to miss the crevices. All right, so I have the roll of the cookie dough, and it has sat out for just a little bit. You'd want it a little bit softer if you was going to roll it out, but we're not going to roll it out. But I do want it soft enough that I can push it into the molds. So I'll just cut these into little pieces. I don't know how much I need since I've never done this before, but if I need more, I can make it work. So that actually makes 21. We can only cook 6 at a time because I only have 1 pan. And you can roll these out. I'm just going to flatten them with my hand like that and see if that works first. And stick that in the cookie shape. Just like that. And I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. So I have the 6 filled. They are pretty thin. The dough says cook for 11 to 14 minutes. I am going to check at 9 minutes. You want them just brown around the edges. So stick your vampire teeth cookies in a preheated 350-degree oven for 11 to 14 minutes. And I'm going to check starting at 9. They are brown around the edges. I don't know what's with the sunken part. We'll let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes, and then we'll move them to a cooling rack until they are totally cool. This is my second batch. It turned out a little bit better. This one had a little bit of a dip in it that got stuck. I'm going to let these cool completely. So I'll see you when I get ready to frost them. All right, so I am not very good at frosting cookies. I decided not to just frost it, even though I said I was going to be doing it the easiest way, but I do want it to look kind of good. I'm going to pipe the white frosting. I'm going to outline the teeth in black, and then I'm going to make the bloody teeth with this. Now, along here, as the outline, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with that. I may just use a purple to go just because. I'm not sure yet. So, wish me luck. And then I do have my little nice spreader thing here to spread it if I need it. So I'll be doing this one so you can see, and then the rest I'll be doing it without the camera because then I can don't have to work around the camera. Okay, and then I'm going to just go along here on the sides as well, down to the base. Okay, so there's the teeth. And that's the blood, because he found himself some dinner. Now I could leave it like that and not worry about the base. I could cut the base off, and I probably should have done the base first. We are going to color the base. Kind of go around the blood. And that blood really isn't too bad for being sparkly. I am definitely not very artistic. I don't know if that looks like teeth or not, but there you have it. There's my vampire teeth. And if I get any that looks better than that one, I will show it to you. Otherwise, you won't see me until I do a taste test. All right, so here's my second one, and I just did the whole base in white and outlined the teeth. I don't know, which one do you guys think looks the best? So here I have some frosting. I added a little bit of water too, and I'm just spreading it on with a knife. It probably works just as well as the piping and maybe even quicker. And this is what you can do if you've got kids helping you. I just wish I could get the vampire teeth to actually look more like vampire teeth. Well, there's my third one. I'm not sure which one I like best. What do you guys think? So here are two of the vampire teeth sugar cookies. Let's do a taste test. Okay, everyone, this is Edwina, Edgar's girlfriend, and she's only been with us for about a week. She's going to help me do the taste test. So we have two of the vampire teeth cookies. They're not the best looking, but hopefully they taste good. They are good tasting sugar cookies, but of course they're Pillsbury refrigerated dough mix. So for Halloween, this would be a very fun project for you and your kids or grandkids to do. Edwina likes it too. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.